Launching, the all-new boAt newly launched Airdopes 170 TWS Earbuds in the color Frost White. It is also available in classic black and tranquil blue colors. The box includes the Airdopes 170, additional earbuds, charging cable, user manual and warranty card. The earbuds are marked with IPX4 water resistance for a carefree listening time wherever you go. Delve into the boAt immersive auditory experience on Airdopes 170 TWS earbuds courtesy its 13mm audio drivers. Enjoy a lag-less gaming and entertainment experience with beast mode for low latency so that your sessions always stay smooth. It offers a total playtime of up to 50 hours, including up to 9 hours of playtime per earbud. Courtesy our ASAP charge technology, the earbuds can garner up to 180 minutes of playtime in just 10 minutes of charging. Be heard absolutely clear across voice calls wherever you are with the ENx Tech enabled Airdopes 170 that cancels out unwanted background noise during calls. Its smooth touch control lets one command playback, hands-free voice calls and activate default voice assistant with ease. The Bluetooth version 5.3 wireless technology in the earbud supports a seamless listening experience every time. The IWP tech makes it easier to power on the earbuds, which occurs as soon as you open the case lid. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.